Let us discuss this question from complex numbers. We will also find some other topics which may be included in this question. Let alpha equal to -1 plus iota root 3 by 2. The moment you read -1 plus iota root 3 by 2, you must identify it is nothing but omega, which is the non-real cube root of unity. A is equal to 1 plus alpha into summation alpha raised to 2k, and B is equal to summation alpha raised to 3k. K is equal to 0 to 100. K is equal to 0 to 100. There are 101 terms, remember. Okay, now let us go to the question how to solve. Let's see. So I told you, here it is given. Alpha is equal to omega, that is -1 plus iota root 3 by 2, iota root 3 by 2. Then what will be omega square then? If you take omega as this, it will be -1 minus iota root 3 by 2. What are the other properties? 1 plus omega square equal to 0. And omega raised to 3n is equal to 1. Okay, that much are necessary to solve this question now. These are the top which you have to keep in your mind. Okay, alpha and all. Now, A is equal to 1 plus alpha means 1 plus omega into sigma k is equal to 0 to 100. Put k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 100. It will become 1 alpha raised to 0 plus alpha raised to 2 means omega square plus omega raised to 4 plus etc. plus omega raised to 200. That is the series. This is a GP. This is a GP. Geometric progression, where A is equal to 1, first step, and common ratio is equal to omega square, remember, and n is equal to 101. Apply the sum. Therefore, A is equal to 1 plus omega into, what is the formula for the sum of n terms of a GP? A into 1 into 1 minus r raised to n, that is omega square, the whole raised to n. N means 100. Divided by 1 minus r, 1 minus omega square. Calculate. A is equal to 1 plus omega into, this will become 1 minus omega raised to 202. 202. This is whole raised number of times is 101. So divided by 1 minus omega square. Now what is omega raised to 202? That is equal to omega raised to 201 into omega, theory of exponents. 201 is a multiple of 3, so it is 3n. So its value will become 1. So it is omega. So this is 1 plus omega into 1 plus 1 minus omega. This is divided by 1 minus omega square. You know A plus B into A minus B. Cancel. So A is equal to 1. Your A is equal to 1. Now let us see what's our B. Yes, B is equal to summation sigma k is equal to 0 to 100. There are again 101 times. Omega raised to 3k. So this is sigma 1. That is when k is equal to 0 to 100. 1 is added 101 times. That is 1 plus 1 plus 101 times. So B is equal to what? B is equal to 101. That is A as well as B. B is equal to 101. Now what do you want? A and B are the roots of a quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation formula now? Therefore, the quadratic equation is, what is the formula? X square minus sum of the roots a plus b into x plus product of the roots, that is ab equal to 0. We calculated both. So it is x square minus a plus b is 102x plus AB is 1 into 101 equal to 0. And that's your answer. X square minus 102x plus 101 equal to 0. Right?